Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I got this large box delivered from Hobbycraft. My daughter ordered me, she said on Hobbycraft online they were doing 3 for 2 balls of yarn and she got a discount as well. So she ordered me some yarn and just because she loves me. So I'm going to open this and have a little look at what she ordered. Now, she did tell me it was Women's Institute. She knows that I like that one. So I think that's what's in here. We'll have a look anyway. It's just a nice little surprise, and Muttley is desperately waiting on this big box. And here he comes. You mentioned Muttley, and there he is. He's got a mess all over my floor. He's been chewing up toys. What you doing? What you got? Hmm? What's this? The box. The box for Mamie. Are you having a look? He's having a look. So we'll open this up. And oh my goodness, what's this? Oh, it's full of stuffing. Just throw that over there. If you hear a noise, it's Muttley running around with that. And there's a little bit of a label. That's if you want to return it. I don't think so. Look at this. Now, listen to that noise with Muttley bag. Now, I told her that I wanted to do a Canadian blanket that's done in bright red, cream, green, bright blue, or if it's a dark blue, and it's called a Hudson Bay blanket, and it's done in bright stripes, and then you've got a cream section in the middle, and then your stripes again. So that's what I think she's been ordering, these bright colours. Now look at that. This is Women's Institute Premium Acrylic Yarn. It's 100 grams. It's exclusive to Hobbycraft. So if you're in the UK, then they do, a lot of the time, they do 3 for 2. You're getting 3 balls for the price of 2. And you can mix and match them. How bright that red is. It's absolutely beautiful. There's 100 grams in it. It's just the shade colour just says red. So if you're in the UK, then have a look on Hobbycraft's website. I'm going to pop that up there and we'll have a look at what else there is. Oh, there's lots in here, my goodness. There's 2 of the cream because the colour on this blanket, this Hudson Bay, is called a Hudson Bay blanket, and it's cream, red, dark blue, yellow and green. I got it, I remembered. And I'll pop that there. There's 2 cream. This is just going to be a quick video. And there's this beautiful shade of green. Now it is these bright colours. If you Google Hudson Bay crochet blanket, you'll see what it is that I'm talking about. They're really lovely. So that is a beautiful green. It's just called green. There's no other name for it. And it is beautiful and soft. It is so soft. So I'll pop that up and we'll see what else is in here. And I've got Muttley here. You're not putting that ball in there. No. Tough, you missed it. he's trying to put his ball into the box. Now we need to show everybody the wool. We need to show everybody. Now there's another one of that green. It's beautiful. So she's got me 2 green. There's 2 of the cream. There's 1 of the red. There's this beautiful lilac. That is absolutely beautiful. That one is bright lilac. Now, my friend Claire sends me Women Institute yarn as well, and it's beautiful to work with. I've used it a lot. Now, what else is in this bag? There's another one of the lilac, and that is, and you can see that lilac colour with that one on the top. So I know the other ball looks, when you do it that way, it looks blue, but you can see that it is a sort of purple lilac colour. This one is really pretty. This is a double knitting as well. And to be honest, it is actually quite a lovely yarn for being a double knitting. It's not really thin yarn. It's really pretty. Oops. This is so thing. Thank you very much, Amy. It's my daughter's name is Amy. This one is called turquoise. The colour on this is turquoise, and it's 100 grams. It's beautiful. So this one does say that it's double knitting, but it's definitely thicker than that. If you take that one and that one, look at the difference in it. That is so pretty. So this one is an Aran yarn. This one is an Aran weight, and the colour in this is turquoise. It is so soft. It is really, really soft. So there's some double knitting and there's some Aran. And that one's turquoise. And there's another one of these lilac colours. See, when that one there goes on, you can actually see the lilac. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Amy. Now, you'll hear that noise because I'm giving that bag to Muttley to play with. I'll burst a hole in it first. So I've burst a hole in that so that he doesn't get into trouble. Now, this one is everyday double knitting. It's a 50-gram ball for this one. The colour on this one is pistachio. This one is called pistachio. It's a beautiful shade of green. Look at that, so pretty. It's quite thick for a double knitting. This one's quite thick. That's beautiful. So I'm going to pop that there because there is more in here. We'll pull this bag up. Oops, oops. There's another bag for Muttley. This one is so pretty. Look at that. The colour. Try to find it. Well, there's no colour on this. Oh, it is. It's called vanilla. This one is called vanilla. It's so soft. I wish you could really feel how soft this is. It's so pretty. That's a lovely colour, that one. This is brilliant. I'll pop that there and we'll get this bag. I think we've got a little repeat of some of the other ones. Oh, there's a much darker blue. That is so nice. And it's so soft. Now, I do know from buying this previously, this is about £2.40 a ball, and you think you're getting 3 of them. You get 3 for 2. So it doesn't matter if you buy different colours or even different thicknesses of yarn. So you've got these two, and then you would get that one free, if you know what I mean. So you're paying for 2 and you're getting an extra one for free. This is beautiful. This colour is, it just says blue. It's just blue. That is so nice. I can't stop saying how soft it is. It's 100% acrylic, by the way, if you need to know that. And I don't know what the equivalent is if you're not in the UK or what this Women's Institute is. And I'll pop that there. There's another vanilla. There's another one that's vanilla. That is so nice. I'm going to drop that back into the box. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. That's orange. Look how bright these colours are. I'm going to get this. Look how bright these are. Look at this for colour. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to drop them back into that box. There's another yellow. This one is yellow. There's a yellow. That is so pretty. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That yellow one is 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and that one's 14. This one is 15. Another one of those turquoise. It's beautiful. 15, 16. So there's 16. And that one there is 17. That's kind of odd number, is it not? And then it's buy two get one free. 17. That's beautiful. And there's 4 of those 50-gram ones. And I think they're buy two get one free as well. I said buy one get one free. It's not. It's buy two get one free. And whatever way she said, it worked out an amazing deal anyway. It worked out an amazing deal. And I'm sure she said that even when she was getting these ones, it was some of these ones were coming up for free. So she didn't question it. She just says, right, okay, I'm just going to take that. That's brilliant. And this is a evergreen, this one. There's, so this is a pistachio one again. I said evergreen, I meant everyday DK. Just get too excited over a box of yarn. This is a pretty one. And this one is mint green. It's not that minty, but it's really pretty. Look at those two shades of green together. They are delicious. And there is another two. And I'm just going to pop that bag down there. I'll keep those bags, they're quite good. So there's 2 of them makes 100 grams and 2 of them makes 100 grams. These ones were cheaper. They were cheaper. She did tell me that this was coming. Absolutely brilliant. It was so brilliant. And a lot of people, if you have a look on Hobbycraft, you can get a lot of really nice yarn, and there's a lot of it does go on sale as well. So that has been an absolute brilliant deal with Hobbycraft doing the 3 for 2. And then if you sign up to them, you also get, I think you get like 15% off your first order as well. And if you spend over a certain amount, you get free delivery. And that's what my daughter did. And absolutely brilliant. Thank you so, so much, Jamie. Thank you so, so much. What a brilliant, brilliant belated Mother's Day. Now, I did get stuff off her on Mother's Day. It was just after Mother's Day. The day after she saw all this deal, and that's what she did, and she got this for me. It's absolutely brilliant. Thank you so, so much. And thank you everyone for watching this little video. And extra, not quite happy, well, it is a happy meal. It's made me very, very happy. So I'll pop them in there, and I'll say what I always say. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please help me get up to 1,000,000 subscribers. It'd be so fantastic. There's not very many craft channels, especially crochet channels, got up that high. There's only a small handful of them. Help me get up to 1,000,000 subscribers, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. And it's free to subscribe to YouTube. Just click on the button and follow the simple instructions. And if you have signed into YouTube, you can just click on it and you'll be able to subscribe to the channel. So I really do appreciate all the moral support, and I do not get paid for subscribers. I do not make any money whatsoever from the amount of subscribers I have. It just gives you great moral support, and people are more likely to look at your channel if you've got a high number of subscribers on it. So thank you so much for watching. So I'm going to go and find myself some designs or some patterns or some stitches to use some of this yarn up. So once again, thank you all for watching. Until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.